Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels. You know, those mysterious creators who keep their identities hidden while captivating millions of viewers. Let's explore how they do it, why they do it, and how you can start your own faceless channel. Stay tuned. First, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Simply put, it's a channel where the creator doesn't show their face. Instead, they use voiceovers, animations, screen recordings, or other creative visuals to engage their audience. These channels can cover any niche from gaming, tech reviews and tutorials to storytelling, animations, and even ASMR. The key is creating content that holds viewers' attention without needing to see the creator. Why would someone choose to go faceless? There are a few reasons. Some people value their privacy and prefer to keep their personal lives separate from their online presence. Others may feel more confident without the pressure of being on camera. Plus, it allows for a wide range of creative expression through different mediums. Now let's talk about how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. Here are some essential steps to get you going. Step 1. Choose your niche. Decide on a topic you're passionate about and that you believe has an audience. It could be anything from tech reviews, educational content, storytelling, or even commentary on current events. Step 2. Plan your content. Outline your video ideas and plan your scripts. Consistent and high-quality content is key to growing your audience. Step 3. Gather your equipment. You don't need a fancy setup to start. A good microphone for clear audio, screen recording software for tutorials, and basic video editing software are enough to get you started. Step 4. Create your visuals. Use screen recordings, stock footage, animations, or slide presentations. Tools like OBS Studio for recording and software like Adobe Premiere Pro, or even free options like Shotcut for editing can be very helpful. Step 5. Optimize your videos. Pay attention to SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Thumbnails and engaging titles can significantly increase your click-through rates. Finally, here are some tips for success. Tip 1. Consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Tip 2. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage interaction to build a community. Tip 3. Keep learning and improving. Pay attention to your analytics, take feedback seriously, and continuously improve your content. So, there you have it. Faceless YouTube channels are a fantastic way to create engaging content while maintaining your privacy. Whether you're camera shy or just looking for a creative outlet, it's a viable path to YouTube success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. See you next time.